grain-free sweet potato treats.
I got the great sweet potato.
Just sweet potato, all pureed up.
Yep.
Beautiful.
4 eggs.
4 eggs.
And then...
These are delicious, by the way. You can share them with your dog.
Right, and then olive oil.
Olive oil! My olive oil! EVOO, baby!
Yep.
And now what, peanut butter?
Yeah.
Oh my God, these are all my favorite things. Did you ever try one of these? They're delicious.
Yes, I have. Yes.
They are delicious.
And this is all natural peanut butter.
All natural peanut butter. And a little flour. Can I add this for you?
Sure.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Coconut flour.
Coconut flour.
Coconut flour. That's why it's so yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Carrots, too.
And some shredded carrot. Then do I push this down now?
Yep.
All right, and I'll lock it in place. Turn on?
Yeah, turn it on.
Get her going.
Yep.
So do you have a favorite of what she likes to make for people?
Oh, she makes really good cookies.
So you're really a good baker.
Desserts.
Yeah.
I also make lots of different kinds, like pastas, or
I love pastas.
or I like meatloaf cupcakes.
Yum, me too. Hey, you know what we could do next time? Is that done?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, fine. She's like, well, yeah, turn it off. So next time you come, maybe we can cook a pasta together.
Sure.
Yeah, that'd be good. Awesome. Do you have a favorite type of pasta?
Oh, we're pasta eaters.
So you don't have a favorite?
No.
She's like, no, just the category. Just a basic category. Pasta.
Yeah. Sometimes my mom is also vegetarian.
We'll design a dish between the two of us for our moms. How about that?
Oh.
Good idea.
Good idea.
I like that
So these are the treats in a big, beautiful jar. We bake them in the oven till they're just crispy at the edges, which is Mom's job. And you can buy them, right, guys? You can buy them online.
Yes.
And we'll link you from our site to theirs so you can order her cookies and bring them home with you.